Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of e-commerce automation. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or just starting out, automation is the secret sauce that can supercharge your business operations, save you time, and skyrocket your productivity. In this video, we'll be sharing some insider secrets and practical tips that will make your e-commerce automation journey a breeze. So let's get started with number 1, display proof notifications on your website. One of the greatest ways to get more online sales is by displaying social proof. Use a tool like PhoneMood to display notifications in the corners of the user's screens. You can display a message that says Mike just bought product X in California to local residents, based on the visitor's location. Number 2 is to automate your UGC in product reviews. Everyone knows that having user-generated content is important, but it is also important to have a system to automate the process of gathering these customer reviews and images and displaying them on your website. Tools like Loox or Yapo can help you set up email flows that ask your customers for video or photo reviews and then display them automatically on your product pages. And on number 3 we have strategic product recommendations. Boost your order value by showcasing complimentary offers throughout your site, including the product page, cart page, and checkout process, present-related or similar products and accessories. Additionally, consider featuring recently purchased items, emulating the strategy employed by Amazon on its home page. Next up on number 4 is the free shipping progress bar. Offering free shipping is a no-brainer. It's the norm these days. Studies show that 73% of shoppers are more likely to buy a product if it comes with free shipping. A more engaging way to show off your free shipping is to display a free shipping progress bar. The bar displays how much more the visitor needs to add to their shopping cart to unlock free shipping. Last but not least is to record the user behavior. Numerous marketers make the critical error of depending on their intuition instead of leveraging data-driven insights. It is important to note that the perspectives of growth marketers may not fully represent the behaviors and preferences of the wider audience. The best way to gather data is by recording people using your site through heat maps. It's a great way to see which elements are used more on your site and what should be improved. The best tools for this job are Lucky Orange and Hotjar. That concludes our today's video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to get regular updates about e-commerce.